Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best 12-line laser levels for precision measurement. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. YEVOLT 12-line 3D green laser level kit. Description: YEVOLT's laser level kit offers 12 lines of green laser projection with a rotating base and magnetic bracket for flexible positioning. Powered by a 3.6V Li-ion battery, it provides reliable performance. Its 3D capabilities make it suitable for precise measuring tasks. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. 4D 12/16 lines USB rechargeable laser level. Description: this laser level boasts 4D projection with 12 or 16 green laser lines for comprehensive leveling tasks. Its self-leveling mechanism and USB rechargeable 2000 mAh lithium battery ensure ease of use and portability. It's ideal for both vertical and horizontal alignments. At number 3. Clubiona 16/12 lines remote control laser level. Description: Clubiona's laser level offers 16 or 12 green beam lines, controllable via remote for convenience. With auto leveling and an outdoor mode, it ensures precise alignment in various environments. The 3x360-degree projection covers a wide area, enhancing productivity. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Hilda 12-line 3D self-leveling laser level. Description: the Hilda laser level provides 12 lines of green laser projection, ensuring accurate horizontal and vertical alignment. Its self-leveling feature simplifies setup, while the 360-degree rotation capability enhances versatility. It's a powerful tool suitable for various leveling tasks. At number 1. Huepar 12-line 3D cross laser level kit. Description: Huepar's 12-line 3D cross laser level kit features Osram green laser beams for precise vertical and horizontal alignment. It offers self-leveling capabilities and a 360-degree range. The kit includes a receiver and tripod for versatile outdoor and indoor use.